Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the laziest ways you can make money online. Even if you're a complete beginner, we're talking about those side hustles that don't require a ton of effort upfront, but can still bring in some serious cash flow once you get them going. Because let's be real, who doesn't love the idea of making money while chilling at home in your pajamas? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 6 different methods you can start using today to build a sustainable income stream online. We'll cover everything from the basics to more advanced strategies so you can find the perfect fit for your skills and interests. The best part? You don't need any special skills or experience to get started. If you're willing to put in a little bit of work up front, you can set yourself up for success in the long run. Let's get started. First up, we're talking about the power of words. No, I'm not talking about writing the next great American novel, I'm talking about copywriting. Essentially, it's all about crafting persuasive content that gets people to take action. Think about those catchy slogans you see on billboards, or the compelling product descriptions that convince you to hit that add to cart button. That's copywriting in action. You can learn these skills online for free. There are tons of resources available on YouTube and other platforms that can teach you the ins and outs of effective copywriting. Once you've got the basics down, you can start offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Trust me, there's no shortage of clients looking for talented copywriters. So if you've got a knack for words and a desire to make money online, copywriting could be your golden ticket. Next up, let's talk about a skill that's in higher demand than ever before: video editing. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels exploding in popularity, businesses and individuals alike are scrambling to create engaging video content. But here's the thing, not everyone has the time, patience, or frankly the skills to edit high-quality videos. That's where you come in. As a video editor, you're the one who takes raw footage and transforms it into a polished, professional final product. Now, before you get intimidated by fancy software and technical jargon, let me tell you, video editing isn't rocket science. There are tons of user-friendly editing software options available, like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, and you can find countless tutorials online. Once you've got the basics down, you can start offering your services on the same freelance platforms we talked about earlier, like Upwork and Fiverr. Skilled video editors are in high demand right now, so if you've got an eye for detail, a creative flair, and a love for all things video, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Ever thought about selling your own custom-designed merchandise? But the thought of managing inventory and shipping logistics sounded like a total nightmare? Well, that's where print-on-demand comes in to save the day. This business model allows you to create and sell unique designs on everything from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases, without ever having to touch a single piece of inventory. Here's how it works. You create a design, upload it to a print-on-demand platform like Teespring or Printful, and they handle the rest. They print your design on the product when someone places an order, package it up, and ship it directly to the customer. The beauty of print-on-demand is that it's incredibly low risk and scalable. You only pay for the product when it's sold, so you don't have to worry about losing money on unsold inventory. Plus, you can easily add new designs and products to your store as you see fit. So, if you've got a knack for design, a passion for creating, and a desire to build a passive income stream, print-on-demand could be your perfect match. Alright, let's talk about turning your passion into profit. No, I'm not talking about quitting your day job to become a professional Fortnite player. I'm talking about monetizing content. There are more ways than ever to make money by creating and sharing content. Whether you're a photographer, makeup guru, gamer, or a financial whiz, there's an audience eager to consume your content. So, how do you make money from it? There are a few avenues to explore. First, ads. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch allow ad monetization. You get paid when someone watches or clicks on an ad. Next, sponsorships. Brands may sponsor your content as you build an audience. And then there's affiliate marketing. The key is to consistently create high-quality content that provides value. Let's face it, in the fast-paced world of online business, everyone's looking for an extra pair of hands, or in this case, a virtual pair. That's where the role of a virtual assistant comes in. Think of it as being the behind-the-scenes superhero, helping entrepreneurs, businesses, and busy professionals stay organized and on top of their game. As a virtual assistant, you can offer a wide range of services, all from the comfort of your own home, or wherever you choose to work your magic. This could include anything from managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media accounts, creating presentations, booking travel arrangements, and even doing some light research. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own hours, choose the clients and projects you want to work on, and essentially be your own boss. Plus, as you gain experience and build relationships with clients, you can start offering more specialized services and charging higher rates. So, if you thrive in a fast-paced environment, love ticking things off to-do lists, and enjoy the idea of being your own boss, becoming a virtual assistant could be the perfect side hustle for you. Let's talk about the long game, where your money works harder than you do: investing. Investing might sound complicated and risky, but it's one of the most effective ways to build wealth. When you invest, you're buying something you believe will increase in value over time. This could be stocks, real estate, bonds, or even cryptocurrencies. Do your research, understand the risks, and invest in assets that align with your goals. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to start investing. You can start with just a few dollars. There are apps and platforms that make investing accessible to everyone. One popular way to start is through index funds, which track a market index like the S&P 500. Index funds spread your money across many companies, reducing risk. The key to successful investing is to start early, be patient, and stay consistent. And there you have it, 6 lazy ways to make money online for beginners. Remember, building a sustainable income stream online takes time, effort, and consistency. There's no magic bullet or get-rich-quick scheme, but the beauty of these methods is that they offer low barriers to entry, flexibility, and the potential for high rewards. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side, replace your 9-to-5, or achieve financial freedom, these strategies can help you get there. So what are you waiting for? Choose a method that resonates with you, dive in, and start building your online empire today. The internet is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.